In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple DIYs from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Let's start with DIY number one. I have this Hulu skirt that I got at Dollar Tree along with 2 orange pumpkins. I'm going to go ahead and braid this Hulu skirt because we are going to decorate one of these pumpkins with this Hulu skirt. I took 9 strings and I divided them into 3s. I'm going to go ahead and braid the entire skirt. This is how I wanted to do mine with a 9. You could do it however you want. You could braid it. You don't even have to braid it if you don't want. But this is the way that I decided to do the one that I'm going to be showing you. So once I'm done braiding the entire skirt, I'll go ahead and proceed with the orange pumpkins. I'm going to give it one coat of this acrylic white paint that I got from Walmart. And the reason why I'm painting is just because I don't want the orange to, the color to penetrate when I'm decorating them. Once I give it a coat, I will put it to the side and wait for them to dry. Now that it is completely dry, I'm going to make a hole in top of this pumpkin. So like that, it could be easier for me to start embellishing it. And I'll show you how I'm going to embellish it. As you can see, I have already the skirt completely braided. And I will start putting it in here just like this. Now that it is completely covered, I'm going to use some of this apple barrel brown. I'm going to dilute it in water only because I want it to be lighter. And I'm going to go ahead and distress it. So when I went outside, I found this piece of wood. I'm going to use it as the pumpkin stem. And this is how it looks. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of brown on this yellow leaf. And once that is done, I will go ahead and hot glue it together. I should say on top of the pumpkin. And this is how it's looking so far. So this is the way it looks so far. I'm going to put this pumpkin to the side so like that we could go ahead and start working on pumpkin number 2. So I bought this scarf at Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and cut this scarf into 2 only because the width was not wide enough to cover the entire pumpkin. So this is what I did. I'm also going to make a hole on top of it, just like I did on the first pumpkin, and I'm going to start wrapping it. And now that that is completely done, let's go ahead and start decorating it. I thought that I would be able to use that flower, but I really didn't like the way it looked. So I went into my stash and I found this wine cord. I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue this jute twine that I have. I'm going to use this as the stem. And now I'm gonna hot glue this stem in place. I also have a bunch of leaves that I have from last year, so I'll be using those leaves as well, along with these this little bunch of berries. They're orange and yellow. And now that this is all in place, let me know what you think about this. I truly do love this beautiful pumpkin. And here is a quick peek of how I put them together. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification button so like that you won't miss none of the videos that I will upload in the future. Proceeding to DIY number 2. I have these beautiful vases that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and again I'm going to use this acrylic white paint, and with this brush I'm going to give it 2 coats. Once it's completely dry, then we will be back to embellish it. I'm going to proceed now to embellish this beautiful vase. I have some hula skirt. I'm going to use some of it to put it on the neck of the vase so it could look pretty. Now, I also have some sunflowers that I found at Dollar Tree, but before I put that in the vase, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I trim this. And let's go ahead and put the smaller sunflower on this vase. I think it looks very delicate. And I'll do the same thing on the second vase, but I will use the larger sunflower. So I'm doing the same procedure. I am loving these vases. Guys, if you do like these DIYs, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Here are they both, one with the large and one with the small sunflower. And this is the final look of how I put all of it together. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you do so. Don't forget that notification button so like that you won't miss none of my videos. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to comment and share with your families and friends so like that they can also enjoy my videos. Thank you. Make sure that you stay safe. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. In today's video, I will show you how to do. Today I'm going to show you how to create two pumpkin trees. Oh mercy. Husa. In today's video, I will show you Today I will be showing you how to create two beautiful pumpkins from Dollar Tree. No,